Sumentro sa physical at mental health ng mga kababaihan ang kapihan at balitaan ng kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas o KBP Pampanga nitong March 24 sa Green Manor, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Panauhing pandangal si Dr. Tosca Camille Sabert Giao, Assistant Medical Director ng Rafael Lazatin Memorial Medical Center sa Angeles City sa ikalawang pagtitipon ng grupo ngayong taon. Ayon sa espesyalista, nakakaalarma na ang tumataas sa kaso ng teenage pregnancy na may malaking epekto sa kalusugan ng mga kabataang kababaihan.
Well, based on our Philippine statistics, no, we're already experiencing 40% of our 16-year-old teenage pregnancies, no, getting into their first pregnancy delivered. And what does this warning tells us, no? Number one, it's a risk factor to develop cervical cancer in the future. Number two, it gives depression, no, as a mental health condition, and anxiety, number two, for these children, no, for these teenage ones. And number three, there are so many physical complications if this teenage pregnancy jump into pregnancy, labor, and delivery.
Makatutulong daw kung magsisimula sa loob ng tahanan ang wastong pagtuturo upang mabawasan ang ganitong mga kaso.
What I can always suggest is to have a culture of understanding within the home. Kasi everything that the child learns starts at our home. So be the perfect educator. Be the perfect model to your child. Be the perfect influencer to your child, no? You have to show a culture of understanding, non-judgmental, open, of course, loving to your own child. And once you have that open relationship with your child, no, I am very sure that your child, of course, will have a good heart to listen, to believe, and to acknowledge.
Dagdag ni Giao, mahalaga ring pangalagaan ng mental health para matiyak ang pangkabuoang kalusugan ng isang individual.
Sabi nga po ni World Health Organization, health is defined as a complete mental, physical, emotional, social well-being without an absence of any disease or infirmity. Ipagsabihin po na ang pangkalusugan ay kasing halaga ng pangkaisipan, no? So we give so much value to both, to all aspects of our being, no? Kasi yun po ang total health, no? At sa totoo lang po, no, ang nagko-control po ng ating bodily functions comes from our brain, which is our mind. The mind controls everything. Kung kayo po'y may anxiety, kung kayo po'y nasa stress, kung napapansin ninyo, nagkaka-conversion disorder, nagtatai ka, nagsusuka ka, nagmamanifest po yun bodily. Hindi ko po sinasabi na dapat mas powerful ang mind, but they go in both ways.
Kaugnay niyan, ibinahagi ni Giao na may pasilidad ng Rafael Lazatin Memorial Medical Center kung saan maaring magpakonsulta para sa mental health ng walang bayad.
Naipagmamalaki po namin na ang ospital namin kahit level 1 ay naglunsad ng mental health clinic, no? PhilHealth accredited po 'yon, libre po na konsulta, no? Because pinibigyan po naming halaga ng kaisipan nga po ay kasing halaga ng katawan.
Sa huli, hinikayat niya ang mga kapwa kababaihan na maging bukas sa paghingi ng tulong para mapanatili ang maayos na kalagayang pangkaisipan.
So, lagi ko pong sinasabi na hindi madali na magsabi ng iyong nararamdaman, especially stress, personal, sa buhay. Pero kami po bilang healthcare provider, me as a woman, we acknowledge, no, that by mere listening, may makikinig lang sa'yo without any judgment. That's already a part of the healing process ng isang kababaihan.
Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado para sa CLTV 36 News.